Yes. So what we'll be doing today, we'll be revising the chapters through you people only. Okay. Today we'll flip the class. Today you will become the teacher and I'll become the student. Okay. You need to explain the topics and I'll be asking you the question. Okay. So I'll be giving you the task for the day. So by this way, we can revise the chapter. Okay. You need to explain the topic the same way I explained. Okay. Fine. So I'll be distributing the topic. We'll be doing with the third chapter. Okay. So our third chapter is Northern Mountains, and you know that we have test also. So the first topic I will give to Dhruv to explain to everyone. Okay, Dhruv, you need to explain the Himalayas. Okay, and the three parts of the Himalayas, that is divided into three parts. Okay, wait. Yes, Ashwat and Sujay.
Ma'am, please, ask question next time after Dhruv.
Okay. Okay, let's unmute Dhruv. So today Dhruv is going to explain you the topic, the Himalayas, and three parts. Himalayas divided into three parallel ranges. So what are they? Okay, yes.
Ma'am, the Himalayas are the
You are the sir today. You need to explain to others, not to me. Okay, everyone. So not only ma'am. Everyone, what are Himalayas? You need to explain like that. Okay? Yes, explain. Dhruv, start up your topic.
Yes, ma'am. Himalayas are the highest peak.
Himalayas are the highest peak. They are the mountains. It is not a peak.
Highest ranges in India.
No, it means you have not yet revised the chapter. Hana?
Ma'am, I have revised.
But you are not able to explain it properly. You need to explain it in your own words, mixing Hindi, English, both. Not an issue. हाँ, आपको जैसा आ रहा है समझ वैसे समझाओ. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको एग्जैक्टली इंग्लिश में पूरा एक्सप्लेन करना है. यू नीड टू मिक्स हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश एंड देन यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन. And we'll give chance to everyone. Don't worry. Atashi, you can lower down your hand. Okay?
Himalayas stretches through Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh.
Very good. You need to keep some points, Dhruv, in mind that what are Himalayas. First, okay, they are the northern mountains. They lie in the north part of the country. Okay, and they stretch from Jammu and Kashmir till Arunachal Pradesh, right? You know that they are high mountains, so how they'll be covered? They'll be covered with snow throughout the year. ऐसे एक एक पॉइंट को इंटरकनेक्ट करके समझाना है. फाइन. आपको फिर इससे क्या होता है, आपको खुद भी रिवीजन हो जाता है ना. और आप एक अच्छे
Most peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. Himalaya consists of three parallel ranges. They are Greater Himalaya, Himadri, Middle Himalaya, Himachal, Outer Himalaya, Shivalik.
Okay. Okay. Now Atashi was raising hand. Let Atashi explain this topic. Good. Well done, Dhruv. Well tried. Yes, Atashi.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
It is not a question. We are doing today the flip class. You are the teacher and you need to explain me the topics that I am giving you. Okay, that I am asking you to explain. So you need to explain the first topic, that is the northern mountains. Okay, the Himalayas and its three parallel ranges. You know, Atashi?
Ma'am, Himalaya and three parallel ranges. The three parallel ranges are the Great Himalaya, Himadri, the Middle Himalaya,
What is Himadri? What is Himadri? Why you are saying the Greater Himalaya Himadri? What is it?
Ma'am, it
आपने उसको ब्रैकेट में लिख दिया ग्रेटर हिमालय के सामने, लेकिन वो है क्या? चलो, you were not there during that time when these chapters were going on. That's why you don't know. I'll explain. Let other also. Yes, Ashwat and Sujay, now say.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you
speak out.
Ma'am, you say that we will say next.
So you explain the topic, the Himalayas and the parallel ranges of Himalayas. Yes, you can explain.
Ma'am,
but you need to explain it the same way. One person will speak.
Ma'am, who will speak?
Yes. Shashwat, you speak first. Then we'll give next topic to Sujay. Okay. Yes.
Include the Himalaya and the Karakoram mountain ranges
Very
and
good.
the Purvadar ranges.
Are you seeing and telling?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, Himalaya, Jammu and Kashmir और मतलब टू अरुणाचल प्रदेश स्ट्रेच करते हैं और मोस्ट पीक जो है वो स्नो कवर्ड रहती हैं. माउंट एवरेस्ट है, माउंट एवरेस्ट हाईएस्ट पीक है इन द वर्ल्ड. और
मेरे को पता चल गया, आप बुक में से देख के बता रहे हो.
मैम नो.
Yes, don't lie. It's okay. Okay, no problem. Not an issue. Okay. Yes, Shashwat explained us nicely. Either he explained in his own words by seeing book. That is also a great thing. कि बुक्स में से देख के भी आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में बता रहे हो. ठीक है, वो तो मैं उसकी आईज देख पा रही थी इसलिए मुझे पता चला. फाइन, इट्स ओके. बट शाश्वत, वेल ट्राइड. ओके शाश्वत, ओपन अप योर कैमरा. नॉट एन इशू. इतना बड़ा कुछ इशू नहीं है. नॉट एन इशू. ओके, सो I'll give this task now to Lavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Lavanya, you need to explain the topic, the Himalayas and the three parallel ranges of Himalayas. Arnav, sit properly. That's why you are dozing your mouth. तभी आप yawn कर रहे हो क्योंकि आप बेड पे लेटे हो. So sit properly. तभी नींद आ रही है. Yes, Lavanya, explain.
मैम आई हैव तो पैरेलल लाइंस मुझे अपने कौन सी होती है वो बतानी है.
No, you need to explain the topic, the Himalayas and the parallel, its parallel ranges. आपको जो 3 ranges में वो divided है वो पूरा explain करना है जैसे मैंने explain करा था. Everyone sit properly first of all. Prince Preet. And everyone open up your cameras. Those who are not opening. आहाना, गर्व, सिद्धांत, रजा, प्रिंसप्रीत, शिवांश, मुदित, वानी, yes, लावण्य.
मैम
Those who will not open up their camera, I'll put them in waiting room. अभी फर्स्ट क्लास में आपके नेटवर्क इश्यूज नहीं हो सकते हैं, आई नो. इट मींस लावण्य. इसका मतलब है लावण्य रिवाइज नहीं.
रिवाइज्ड.
Then why you are not explaining?
मैम
Let's give chance to other person then now. Let's give chance to Ahana. Ahana is showing the big eyes. My turn? No, I was not aware of. Yes, Ahana? But everyone has to explain.
Ma'am, actually, you are asking Northern Mountains, so I was surprised that I have only learned that 2 chapters, 2 first.
Why? Now on Wednesday you have test of this chapter. Till now you have not revised. Okay, it is not the part of revision. It is a thing what you have understood in the chapter. You need to explain the topic. आपको चैप्टर समझ आया था ना? सब याद होगा आपको, है ना? Okay, you need to revise once. Okay, let me explain this topic so that after then you can explain the topic. Okay, we'll revise because we have test. Okay. Utkarsh, there must be some problem in your network. That's why, because rest others can listen my voice properly. Everyone can listen my voice properly. Give me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, the northern mountains, okay, are divided into different parts. Okay, one is the Karakoram ranges. Wait a minute. One is the Karakoram ranges, the Himalayas, and the Purvanchal hill ranges. According to its location, it is divided. It is named in 3 different parts: the Himalayas, the Karakoram ranges, and the Purvanchal hill ranges. Okay, some part of Himalayas, okay, थोड़ा part जो हिमालय का ऊपर की साइड है उसको हम काराकोरम रेंजेस भी बोलते हैं. Fine. Then it's Purvanchal hill ranges. Now what is Himalayas? Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir से पूरा अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक जाता है. Okay, and it also covers the boundary of Nepal and China. Fine. Then most of the peaks it is at the north of the mountains, at the top of the country, so it always covered with snow. We say na, the higher we go the lower is the temperature. जितना ऊपर हम जाएंगे पहाड़ की तरफ उतना टेम्परेचर कम होता रहेगा, और कम टेम्परेचर होगा तो स्नो होगी. Fine. So the mountains are covered with snow. Always the Himalayas are covered with snow. The highest peak, माउंटेन्स होते हैं उसके अंदर पीक होती है, बड़ी बड़ी चोटी जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. नॉट दिस चोटी, बालों वाली चोटी नहीं, द माउंटेन वाली पीक. फाइन. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन हिल and peak. Hills are round from the top and peaks are conical from the top. ठीक है? So the highest peak is Mount Everest in Himalayas that lies on the border of Nepal and China. तो वो नेपाल और चाइना के बॉर्डर पे लाई करते हैं. That is the highest peak in the world. ठीक है? तो जब हम वर्ल्ड की बात करेंगे तो हाईएस्ट पीक है माउंट एवरेस्ट, लेकिन जब हम इंडिया की बात करेंगे तो इंडिया में हाईएस्ट पीक कौन सी है? काराकोरम माउंटेन रेंजेस में दैट इज माउंट गॉडविन ऑस्टिन. ठीक है? काराकोरम माउंटेन रेंजेस में माउंट गॉडविन ऑस्टिन है, और हिमालयाज में पूरे वर्ल्ड में बात करेंगे क्योंकि हिमालयाज नेपाल और चाइना के बॉर्डर पे भी लाई करते हैं, सो दैट इज माउंट एवरेस्ट. नाउ इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 पार्ट्स. 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. फर्स्ट इज द ग्रेटर हिमालय, ऑल्सो नोन एज. Atashi, now understand the question that I asked to you. Okay, the greater Himalaya, that is also known as, its name is Himadri. Himadri is its other name. Okay, now the middle Himalaya, also known as Himachal. Fine, the outer Himalaya known as Shivalik. तो 3 parts में divided है Himalayas. Okay, they are named in 3 different parts: the greater, the middle, and the outer. The greater is known as Himadri, the middle is known as Himachal, and the lower one or the outer one is known as what? Shivalik. Okay, और शिवालिक नाम किसके नेम से रखा गया? शिव जी के नाम से. Fine, Lord Shiva. Fine, now you need to explain it again. अब कौन एक्सप्लेन करेगा? उत्कर्ष. उत्कर्ष will explain now. As explained, the whole topic again. Wait, Utkarsh. And Shashwat, stop messaging, beta. Yes, Seerath, wait. Yes, Seerath, wait, beta. I'll give you chance also. It doesn't mean कि मैं आपको chance नहीं दूंगी. I'll give chance to everyone. Even Pavitra, Arush, Arnav, be ready. Utkarsh is not getting unmuted. Why? Okay, let's give chance to Seerath. I'm trying Utkarsh till the time. Let's give chance to Seerath. There is some problem. Wait a minute, beta. Let me refresh. Actually, my laptop is getting hang.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes, Seerath.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, now explain. You were saying, na? To explain.
Ma'am, which
You want
topic?
to explain? Huh?
Topic,
The
ma'am.
topic I explained right now only the Himalayas and the 3 parallel ranges of Himalayas.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Speak.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta, speak out. Seerath.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not getting your voice.
Still you are not getting.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am?
You know the topic?
Ma'am, yes.
Utkarsh. Explain it then. Explain it. Seerath, there is some problem in your network. Yes, Bihan, you explain, beta.
Ma'am, I joined. Ma'am, my laptop is some problem. Ma'am, so I joined late.
No problem. We'll ask Dhruv Sherwin to explain. Yes, Sherwin.
Ma'am, so you do one time recap.
Ma'am, your voice is coming very low.
Yes, Sherwin, you explain, beta. Sherwin. Wait a minute. Yes, Sherwin.
Ma'am,
Explain the topic. You raised the hand.
ma'am, Himalayas are divided into three parts.
First, explain what are Himalayas. From where to where it stretch.
Ma'am, Himalayas are highest mount ranges in the world. They are covered with snow.
Hmm. It
They
means you
range
people are still not listening. This what you will do in exam?
it
This what you will do in
stretches
exam?
about
You people are not at all.
it stretches
Wait.
from Jammu Kashmir to
Hmm.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Hmm. Very good. You're explaining
It
nicely.
is divided into three parts.
Hmm. And which is the
Karakoram
highest
ranges.
peak in the Himalayas? इधर
Ma'am,
देख के शेरविन.
Ma'am,
Karakoram ranges are the hill ranges, not the highest peak. Not listening properly. Pavitar? Devansh will explain. Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am,
Ji beta. Yes, explain the topic. Whatever you have understood.
ma'am, the height has this peak in Karakoram ranges is
अच्छा यही सुना आपने इतनी देर में मैंने काराकोरम रेंजेस इट मींस मैंने गलत पढ़ा दिया आपको है ना इट मींस the time I taught the chapter that time also I taught the wrong and this time also and you have listened Karakoram ranges. Who will tell me the highest peak in Himalayas? Abhi?
Yes,
Wait.
ma'am.
Yes, Abhi? Which is the highest peak in the Himalayas?
Senior.
Ansh is sitting. Ansh, let him study.
पढ़ता भी है
No one. Gaurish will tell. Now I will get to know. Prince, please sit properly. Gaurish left the class only for the question, answering the question only. See, this is what you are learning. Shrestha is raising hand. Yes, Shresh. Very good. Very good. This what these are some students that are listening properly. I'm repeating it again for the third, fourth time. Listen it very carefully. It's not very tough. Himalayas, see, what are northern mountains? Our country is divided into different physical divisions. Na? अलग अलग physical divisions में divided है. The mountains, the plains, plains are divided into the northern plains and the coastal plains, है ना, दो में divided है, शाश्वत and सुजय. Coastal and northern plains. Coastal plains that are near the sea or any water body, okay, that are known as coastal plains, and northern plains that are in the north part of the country under the northern mountains. Fine, okay. So deserts, other than that, then island groups, okay, and the western desert that is in Rajasthan, the Thar desert, okay, the Great Indian Desert, इसको Great Indian Desert भी बोलते हैं, the Western Desert भी बोलते हैं, that desert is the Thar desert, the hottest and the largest desert in India. Okay, so our Himalayas, first, northern mountains is divided into two parts, the Himalayas and the Karakoram ranges, that is in the north part, and the Purvanchal hill ranges, that is in the northeastern part. Purvanchal hill ranges है जो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट में, और हिमालयाज और काराकोरम रेंजेस हैं जो नॉर्थ पार्ट में. फाइन. सो हिमालयाज, लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट हिमालयाज फर्स्ट. हिमालय स्प्रेड फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, फ्रॉम द टॉप जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से लेके वो थोड़ा सा नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट तक स्ट्रेच करता है, दैट इज अरुणाचल प्रदेश. फाइन. देन as it is at the height, okay, ये बहुत हाइट में है, so it is always covered with what? Snow. पूरे टाइम वो स्नो से कवर्ड रहती है. As the higher we go, जितनी हाइट पे हम जाते हैं, right now we are in the plains, जब हम माउंटेन्स की तरफ जाते हैं आपको उतना ही ठंडा फील होता है ना, क्योंकि उतना ही लोअर टेम्परेचर होता जाता है. फाइन. जितनी हाइट पे आप जाते हो उतना ही टेम्परेचर लोअर होता रहता है और उतनी ही ठंड बढ़ती रहती है, और जितना आप हाइट पे जाओगे एट द टॉप, then it will be, you will get the snow. Fine. So that's why the Himalayas are covered with snow, because they are at very height, क्योंकि वो बहुत height पे हैं. Fine. The highest peak. What is different between a hill and a peak? मैंने आपको बताया था, हिल क्या होती है, राउंड होती है ऊपर से शेप में, ठीक है, और पीक क्या होती है, कोनिकल होती है. फाइन. शाश्वत, I'll put out of the class once again if you will smile and talk. You're a very good child. I don't want to say you again and again. और आप दोनों साथ में बैठ के डिस्टर्ब होते हो. दोनों अच्छे बच्चे हो तो दोनों पढ़ो. Fine. Then the Mount Everest is the highest peak in Himalayas. Mount Everest highest peak in Himalayas, man, it is the highest peak in the world. Okay. And it lies on the border of Nepal and China, our neighboring countries. Nepal और China के border पर lie करती है. Fine. Then the Himalayas are divided into three parallel ranges. Himalayas को हमने तीन part में divide कर दिया according to its location. Okay. The first is the Greater, जो सबसे top पे है, Greater Himalaya. The other name is Himadri. Fine. Himadri मतलब पहाड़. हिम मतलब पहाड़ होते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसका नाम हिमाद्री रखा गया. Then the middle Himalaya, that is Himachal. Fine. Then the outer Himalaya, that is Shivalik. It is named on the name of Lord Shiva. ठीक है, understood? Understood now? अब सबको समझ आ गया? अब तृप्ति explain करेगी. And don't, सब आपकी तरह है, डोंट गेट नर्वस, मैं भी आपकी ही तरह हूँ, है ना. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे ज्यादा नॉलेज है आपसे या आपको, हम सब पढ़ेंगे तो हम सबको बराबर नॉलेज हो जाएगी, है ना. ठीक है, चलो तृप्ति स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग. नीड नॉट टू गेट नर्वस कि मैं गलत हो जाऊंगा, गलत हो जाएगा तो क्या, मैम है ना ठीक करने के लिए यहाँ पर. फाइन. ओके तृप्ति
Himalayas stretch to Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh.
Very nice. Yes.
Most peaks remain covered.
Very nice. Good going. Tripti.
With snow.
किससे covered होते हैं? हाँ, very nice.
Mount Everest is the highest peak.
Wonderful. कहाँ लाई करती है माउंट एवरेस्ट? किसके बॉर्डर पे?
नेपाल and China.
Very good, very good. And what are the three parallel ranges?
The middle Himalaya,
The greater, सबसे ऊपर वाला, the greater,
the greater Himalaya,
सबसे ऊपर वाला greater.
Himadri, the middle Himalaya.
Very nice, very nice. Wonderful.
And the outer Himalaya.
Yes. What is the other name of outer Himalaya, Priti? Shivalik. Very good. Everyone will clap for Tripti digitally. सब Tripti के लिए digitally clap करेंगे. Even I will do digital clap for Tripti. Very nice, Tripti. I love Tripti ने बहुत अच्छे से explain करा है. The way I explain, उसने हर point को explain करा है अच्छे से. Very nice, Tripti. Now the next topic. Who will explain? Chaitanya will explain the next topic, that is Greater Himalaya. Okay? अब हम फर्स्ट हिमालय के सबसे टॉप वाले हिमालय के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. And it's very easy because already we know that it is at the height. तो वो स्नो और ग्लेशियर से कवर्ड होगा. और स्नो और ग्लेशियर्स किसका पार्ट ले लेते हैं? रिवर्स का. और कौन सी रिवर्स ओरिजिनेट होती है? सो आपको ये सब बताना है. ठीक है, चलो. चैतन्य, बी रेडी. I am unmuting you. And Sirat, you need to wait for 2 minutes. Yes. Yes, Chaitanya.
The Greater Himalaya is in the extreme north.
Very good. Extreme north. You don't have to read and tell. Read करके नहीं बताना चैतन्य. जो भी आपको पता है वो बताओ बेटा. रीड करके तो मैं भी बता दूंगी, ये कोई और भी बता देगा. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा चैतन्य को कितना आता है ना? We will not get to know how much you know. Try, Chaitanya. Hardik. Chalo, let's give chance to Hardik. Not an issue. Hardik, Greater Himalaya. In next class, tomorrow's class, you will explain. Everyone, you need to study the topics. Everyone, the other topics after than that. Yes, Hardik, start.
Greater Himalaya are also known as
very good, very good. Madhuri.
Himadri.
And
it
कौन सी लोकेशन में, कौन सी डायरेक्शन में सबसे ऊपर? एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ में, है ना?
north. It lies Jammu and Kashmir to Andhra Pradesh.
No.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay. But आपने क्या करा? What you have done? आपने हिमालयस को पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. We are just talking about the greater one. Not an issue, but well tried, Hardik. Wonderful, आपने try कर. Okay. Now I'm telling you, everyone, because time is also almost up. Fine. Nobody will leave the class taking the attendance. And let me explain you the Greater Himalaya so that tomorrow you can explain, and you need to study the other topics also from the PDF that I have already sent to you of the chapter. बेटा ऐसे नहीं होगा तो फिर आप वेडनेसडे को टेस्ट कैसे दोगे? How you will give the test and how you will give the exam if you will not study the topics, है ना? You need to study the topics very deeply. That's why we've done today the flip class, so that I should get to know. Let me ask Sirat what. Yes, Hana, I know time is over. Yes, Sirat.
And whatever marks you was not tell on that time.
Okay, I forgot to tell you marks. I don't have that notebook. I've written your marks. I'll tell you on message. Okay.
मैम क्या शाश्वत के पास बुक है या फिर उसे प्रिंट आउट निकला है?
I have already sent the PDF. I think so. Shashwat have got the printout, or maybe he have arranged the old book from somebody. No, Shashwat? Wait, let me ask to Shashwat.
No. Yes, ma'am.
Then, from where you have got the book?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, we have stored the worksheet in our laptop.
Okay, he have stored the worksheet in his laptop, and from there only he was cheating.
Okay,
Yes?
okay, ma'am.
Okay. I am teacher. I always say that teachers are your second mother, so they can give your eyes. So, कभी मैम को उर्दू नहीं बनाना है, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
आप
मैम आप
बुद्धू
WhatsApp
निकालो ना। हाँ, आपको मार्क्स बता दूंगी सीधे, ठीक है? Okay, everyone. Bye. Enjoy your day. Enjoy, but now the enjoyment should be stopped for some days because exam are on head. We need to study very hard. है ना? सबको अच्छे से पढ़ना है. Okay, everyone. Bye. Bye. And well done, Tripti. I'm very happy you explained the topic. Rest others I'll ask tomorrow, so be ready. Bye.